Hi, welcome to my channel Everything's Home. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell for the updates. So today we are going to make carrot halwa. So let us begin. Ingredients that I've taken are 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of milk, 9 to 10 spoons of ghee and dry fruits. So I have taken cashews and dry grapes. So it depends on you, you can take any. Let me grate the carrots around half kilogram, and here it is. Heat the pan and we will be adding 4 spoons of ghee to it. So once the ghee is heated, we will be adding the grated carrots. So saute the carrots until the ghee is completely coated on the carrots and the raw smell is gone. So now we will be adding 3 cups of milk to it. You need to saute the carrots along with the milk thoroughly until the milk is completely dried. You have to see the milk fat around the carrot. Make sure the milk is completely absorbed, and at this time you will be adding a pinch of saffron to it. You can see the milk is getting dried and you will be adding 2 cups of sugar. So you can adjust the sugar as per your taste. So the sugar has started to melt. Keep stirring until the sugar is caramelized and even the sugar should be dry. So you can add the cardamom powder now. You'll be adding the remaining ghee to it and the dry fruits. Mix it well and the carrot halwa is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.